The 2016 presidential election has been the most contentious, controversial, and locker room bantering in American history. So this Halloween, there's really no need to ruffle people's feathers even more with some kind of politically incorrect costume, hashtag basket of deplorables, because frankly, our day-to-day rape culture is terrifying enough. Instead, why don't you do your neighbors a solid and wear a costume that's a little more inoffensive for mainstream America. Especially if you're white like I am, dressing up as just some guy's wife will put everyone at ease and also deflect any unwanted sexual attention or contact because, hey fellas, this vagina belongs to somebody else. And bonus points if you're some guy's wife who also refrains from ladies' night goings outs because of all of the locker room banner that happens, because everybody knows girls will be girls. Or if you're not the marrying kind, you can also just be some guy's mother. Or better yet, dress up as some guy's conventionally attractive and politically unambitious white wife and mother of his children who stands by her husband despite his confirmed history of philandering and distaste for sexual consent. And trolls commenting, I'll give you a second to pick that low-hanging fruit of just how ugly I am, because everyone knows that that's the worst thing you can call a woman. Right, Tiny? Dressing up as just some guy's grandmother is a little bit more of a dice roll, not because she's so offensive, but rather because our society renders women of a certain age completely invisible. And really, you'd have a better chance actually being seen on Halloween if you just dress up as a ghost. And if you're not into kids, don't worry, because dressing up as just some guy's daughter or sister are also safe bets. Or if you're more into gender bending, you could also dress up as some guy who insists that mothers, wives, and daughters should be treated with respect. Other people with vaginas, well, you're on your own, I suppose. Or for a touch of class, you can dress up as a rich white guy who's cool with his friends referring to his teenage daughter as, quote, a piece of ass. Nothing offensive about that at all. And after Halloween is over, if you're an American citizen, don't forget to vote on Election Day, or as Donald Trump likes to call it, November 28th. Oh, I've got so much banter to get out, but boys will be boys.